Kitchen at the Mills. Kitchen at the Mills. They're grilling here. I got this sausage. I topped it with some ketchup and some mustard, a pickle and some relish. See if you could get that. We're at this No Limit event. No Limit is a well-known exotic body shop up the block off of Lake Avenue, Sawmill River Road, on Sawmill River Road. And they're hosting this event here on 222 Lake Avenue. Incredible. It's like a nice networking event.
What's up, everybody? You know who it is. My boy Franchez right here. Hannah, come here, get in the shot. Hannah, Sir, Men's Skin and Laser Studio, White Plains. Let's go. Right here at No Limit, Yonkers. Check out the Lambo behind me. I should have brought the Mozzie, bro. Be good.
No Limit exotic vehicles. Beautiful show. A lot of love. Family type event. There's babies here, there's businesses here. I'm about to go have a Simple Motive brew. I got the Lake from Simple Motive. Delicious, light, crispy. I think it's 5% if I'm not mistaken. I wanted something light and refreshing. This is my beverage for my breakfast that I just had. That sausage in a bun. Refreshing, delicious. Yonkers brewed. Yonkers. That's the most important part. It's a Yonkers brewer. Now I'm having the Oktoberfest by Simple Motive Brewing. Delicious. Definitely a more body to it. It is 5.2%. Delicious. Limited time, October, of course. Come down and give that one a try. That's it. That's my take on the No Limit event here in Yonkers, New York. Beautiful summer, hot, sunny day. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love.